Hi YouTube. Today we're going to talk about knife sharpening. This was a video request from 4 of my YouTube friends. Ethan, Adam, Jacob, and Todd all wanted me to do a video on knife sharpening. So here we go. Okay, first let's talk about sharpening devices. There's a ton of different sharpening systems, devices, stones out there, and I'm not going to go over all of them. I'm just going to tell you what I like, what I use right now, and I admit I've kind of taken the easy route because I don't want to spend a lot of time sharpening my knives. I sharpen them frequently, I keep them sharp, they never get really dull, and so I have a system and a few devices that I like, and that's where we're going with this. My number one favorite knife sharpener, Smith brand diamond sharpener. It's got a fine side, which I use all the time, and a coarse side, which I've never used. Like I said, I don't let my knives get dull. I keep them sharp. This thing is very lightweight. It weighs about the same as a pocket knife. When I'm in the wilderness camping or whatever, this goes with me. Doesn't matter if it gets wet. It's very easy to use. You can put an edge on any knife very quickly with this. If you only have one sharpener, I recommend this. I love it. My second favorite is a ceramic rod with a wooden handle. I got this on eBay for 10 bucks. Very good for putting a super edge on a knife. Ceramic is extremely hard stuff. I read somewhere that it's second only to diamonds, but I don't know about that. Anyway, it's excellent for fine honing the edge of a knife. If you want to go really simple, this thing, believe it or not, is an excellent little sharpener. It was less than $3 at Walmart. You can also get it at sporting goods stores. Neat little sharpener. Takes all the guesswork out of it. It sharpens both sides of the blade at the same time. You've got carbide blades here for really dull knives, and flip it over, ceramic stones here for putting a finer edge on a knife, and it's got rubber feet on both ends. Less than $3. Believe it or not, I highly recommend this little device. Quick, easy, especially for kitchen knives. Excellent thing to have in the kitchen. For bigger knives, K-bars, big hunting knives, machetes, I bought this thing. I hardly ever use it. I got it at Harbor Freight for 10 bucks. It consists of a plastic box with rubber feet on the bottom and a 4-sided block, basically. Each side has a thin metal piece on it that's coated with diamond dust, and you've got different grits. 200 is really coarse, 300, 400. Honestly, the only one I've ever used is the 600, because like I said, my knives don't get dull. Alright, those are the sharpeners. I'll do a little demonstration of a few different knives. Start with the Smiths. Excellent device. I think I said that. Gerber Fast Draw. One of my EDC knives. You want to hold the blade at about a 20-degree angle. I start at the back of the blade and go forward in one stroke. Some people prefer a circular motion. Whatever you want to do. I don't think one is better than the other. You do one side. Then turn it over. Do the other side. Do the same thing with the Victorinox Tinker, one of my other EDCs. Trying to keep a 20-degree angle on both sides. It's something that gets easier with practice. Practice, 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 practice. Or, you can take all the guesswork out of it and use this thing. I'm going to use the fine ceramic side because, like I said, none of my knives are dull. So, set it like this. You have plenty of space to hold it where your fingers are out of the way. Put the blade in all the way in and pull it towards you. It does both sides of the edge at the same time. Do a couple kitchen knives. Smart Chef, made in China. Very easy to use. I could just about sell these things. My favorite kitchen knife, Old Homestead. I'm just following the curve of the blade. That's why I start like this and bring it up. Bring the back of the knife up so it gets the point, following the curve of the blade. Do a little finishing work with the ceramic rod. I strongly recommend you get one with a handle. You can buy them just the ceramic rod for cheap, but I like the handle. Gerber. Victorinox. Alright, that's my knife sharpening demonstration video. Thanks for watching. Peace.